seafood dish is absolutely flavorful and comes together quickly. I'm using the FN Sharp Santoku knife with that dimpled blade to work through my vegetable prep on this meal. To peel ginger, you can use the back of the spoon and just scrape on all sides, or your FN Sharp knife just gently down each side as the skin is paper thin. Start by slicing the ginger into planks. Then you'll take those planks and stack them up on top of each other. You may want to work with a small stack to begin with, and slice lengthwise, making ginger matchsticks. Then 180 spin those, and then you'll create a fine mince. Using the FN Sharp boning knife, I'm going to take the skin off of this fish fillet, carefully grabbing one corner and just swipe your blade, pressing down against that skin, and it'll come right off. On the stove, I have some vegetable oil, and I'm gonna bring that up to 350 degrees. I'm gonna place all of my prepped scallions into a clear bowl and then get the hot oil onto that fresh cut ginger. Let that simmer away. Be careful not to splatter it on yourself. I'll add in the scallions once it's cooled just slightly, some sugar, some MSG, a little bit of sesame oil, and you're set. You just give that a stir, and that oil will be so flavorful to put on any of your favorite noodles. You can go on eggs, you name it. Into a dredge, I got flour, cornstarch, tons of turmeric to give it a nice golden color, and some other seasonings. Into some hot oil. Once it gets all crispy and golden, set that aside. Get the oil all over some noodles, get the fish right on top, and then for a little garnish, I have that red pepper, not spicy, just adds a little pop of color. Enjoy. Make sure to visit fnsharp.com.